the main events that took place from 500 to 1500 century. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Usman from Moonlight International Publication House, and thank you for joining me here. Today the topic that we will be discussing in today's video lecture is about the main events that took place from 500 to 1500 century. Dear students, there are multiple factors that took place during the studied period that I have just mentioned. इस पीरियड के अंदर multiple जो मेजर इवेंट्स हैं हमें तारीख के अंदर नज़र आते हैं. So sometimes it becomes difficult for historian, for interpreter, for recorder that what incident he or she has to choose, or what incident or what event he or she has to add in his research or in his video. But today we will be exploring one of the most important events that took place from 500 century to 1500 century. So first of all, the fall of the Roman Empire. The fall of the Roman Empire is considered as one of the most important events that took place between this period. There are multiple factors which became responsible for the decline of the fall of the Roman Empire. But I would share with you only three important ones. Number one, the political unrest at that time became the cause of the fall of the Roman Empire. The second one, economic difficulties, economic you can say chaos. And the third one is incursion from the Germanic tribe, or you in simple terms you can say the foreign invasions from the Germanic tribe, or you can say the German tribe. So these were the important reasons which became the cause of the fall of the Roman Empire. The second most important event that took place in this period was Justinian's reconquest. As we know, Justinian first was very important ruler of the time. He made significant contributions to his empire, but one of his most notable achievement was the reconquest of the Western Roman Empire. यानी कि इसकी जो इम्पोर्टेंट जो अचीवमेंट थी जो जिस वजह से इसको जाना जाता है वो है कि जो वेस्टर्न रोमन एम्पायर थी उसकी रिकंक्वेस्ट. Now we will be heading towards the third important main event, Viking Age. So there are different interpretations about the people who were known as the Vikings, but many of the records have led us to the fact that they were the people who always remain in constant raids, trade ventures and explorations. Most of the Viking people belong to the Scandinavian area, Scandinavian region. यानी Vikings का जो ताल्लुक है वो Scandinavian जो एरियाज है, रीजन है, उससे इनका ताल्लुक था. और इनका जो प्राइमरी कास्ट था वो हर वक्त कुछ चीज़ें एक्सप्लोर करना, रेड्स पे जाना. दे वर वेरी बारबेरस इन मल्टीपल वेज. यानी तारीख के हवाले से हमें इनकी डिफरेंट स्टोरीज जो है मिलती हैं. द नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इवेंट दैट टुक प्लेस इन दिस पीरियड वाज द क्रूसेड वार. So crusades are the military, or you can say the religious military campaigns launched by the Christendom, launched by the Christians to regain the control of the Holy Land, headed by, or the Holy Land you can say controlled by the Muslims. यानी crusades से मुराद वो जंगें हैं जिनको उर्दू में सलीबी जंगें कहा जाता है, जिनका पर्पस था कि वो तमाम मुस्लिम वो जो तमाम हॉली लैंड जिन पे मुसलमानों ने कब्जा कर लिया हुआ था या मुसलमानों के कंट्रोल में थी, क्रिश्चियंस ने उनसे वो कंट्रोल वापस लेने के लिए टू रीगेन दोज होली लैंड एक कैंपेन्स का आगाज़ किया विच वर नाउन एज द क्रूसेड्स वार. सो दीज वर द इम्पॉर्टेंट events that took place in the period that we have mentioned in the start of the video. So with this we can conclude this topic, and we hope to see you again with a new topic of history. Thank you.